The ocean. Well, this glass box that I call home. I love exploring this place. Hi, my name is Spike. No, that's not me. Focus. Hi, I'm Spike, the two-spot hawkfish, and welcome to my reef. I spend most of my time exploring the reef and picking the rocks, and I sit here to relax and to watch and to rest. Until this guy starts doing whatever it is he's doing, I'm out of here. But I call this rock my home. It's safe, and I keep coming back again and again. And sometimes I visit friends, like this clam. And this clownfish, though I'm not always sure what he wants me to do. He's very enthusiastic. And even though I venture into different areas of the reef, I know that when I return, I am in a safe place, here on my rock.